Welcome to one of the most advanced mango juice manufacturing facilities, where quality, purity, and innovation come together.
This state-of-the-art facility reflects scale, precision, and world-class production standards. This facility is designed to meet international food safety and manufacturing requirements.
Our brand represents trust, freshness, and consistency from farm to bottle.
Strict security and access control ensure a safe and organized production environment. Every movement is planned to maintain efficiency and uninterrupted workflow. Each vehicle undergoes a thorough verification process before entering the facility.
Inside, the factory follows a structured and hygienic production system.
Fresh mangoes are sourced directly from trusted farms.
Careful handling preserves the natural quality of the fruit.
Only the best mangoes are selected after strict quality inspection.
The selected mangoes are thoroughly washed to remove dust and impurities.
Any substandard fruit is carefully separated to maintain product excellence.
Advanced machinery cuts the mangoes with precision.
The rich mango pulp is extracted while preserving flavor and nutrients.
The pulp is transformed into juice through a controlled formulation process. Consistency, taste, and texture are carefully monitored at every stage.
Filtration ensures purity and a smooth drinking experience.
Every batch undergoes laboratory testing to meet safety standards.
The juice is filled using fully automated packaging systems.
Sealing and labeling guarantee freshness and traceability.
Each pack is now ready to deliver natural mango goodness. A final inspection ensures perfection before distribution. Are stored in temperature-controlled warehouses.
Prepared for delivery, our juice is ready to reach consumers everywhere.
Fresh mangoes to pure juice. This is quality you can trust.